Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it.
Hey there, welcome to Wassup News. Today, we're saying a big warm hello to Cindy Prado.
Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with the hands on.
Cindy is an incredible fashion model, influencer, and social media sensation. She's well known for her stunning bikini shoots.
And it's got me so fixated, and I'm not the type to wait around. I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated. So the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah.
Cindy was born on January 20th, 1992, in the United States. She's 31 years old as of 2023, and her zodiac sign is Aquarius.
She's got a body like a coke fan. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
She is about 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighs around 54 kilograms. Her estimated body measurements are 34, 24, 35 inches.
I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late.
Cindy has been named a Hometown Hottie by Maxim Magazine, and let me tell you, she absolutely loves to dance.
I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold.
So, what are your thoughts on Cindy? Isn't she absolutely stunning?
She acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was.
Tell us what you think in the comments below.
That this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes, and they'll cut you like a weapon.